Hello everybody, this is Andrew, also known as NatureMan. We have torrential rainfall. You can't even see, it's all blurred. My camera can't even focus, it's like torrential rain. So loud, and it's like visibility is like, it's almost impossible to see. You can't see more than, a half mile, if that. Torrential rain's falling. We're easily getting maybe 2 or 3 inches in less than 20 minutes. It just started like 5 minutes ago, and I would say we've already had an inch of rain. Absolutely insane. Insane rain. That's Indianapolis for you. It'll be like 1 minute it'll be 90 and sunny, the next minute it'll be storming. You wouldn't even see it coming. Happens all the time, but it's never usually this heavy. It was even about a minute ago, it was so bad that I couldn't even see out the window. This is NatureMan signing off. Bye.